Have you ever wondered how people put those really cool borders around their videos? Or maybe you have tried to figure out how to format your video seamlessly so that it looks great on Instagram as well as Facebook and also looks stunning on YouTube. Or maybe you're simply looking for a really easy way to edit videos on the go using your cell phone. Today I'm going to be sharing with you the tool that I use for editing videos easily and for free just using my phone. So the app that I use is called InShot. There's a free version and a paid version, but I've been able to use it for what I need to use it for, simply using the free version. Today I'm going to be sharing with you how easy it is to edit a video using InShot and some tips and tricks that I've used that will make it really easy for you, even if you've never edited a video before. This is what it looks like when you open the app, and you'll notice that you can do a video, a photo, or a collage. For today, we're going to do a video. You're going to click on new video, and then it's going to give you an option of uploading the video that you want from your phone. When you see the video that you want to edit, just go ahead and click on it and it will upload it into the app. I want to take out the beginning where I was turning on the camera. So to do that, I'll let it play to where I want to cut it. When I get to the part that I want to edit, I'll click the icon that says split and then cut the part that I want cut out and then push delete. Once I've edited out all the parts that I don't want in the video, then it's time to add in some text. Click on the button that says text and it will pull up your keypad, and then from there you can type in whatever you want it to say. Once you're satisfied with what the text says, you can change the font, the colors, and choose your placement for where you want it to be on your video. To change the placement on the video, just simply grab it and drag it to where you want it to be. To change the color or the style of font, go ahead and click on the A or the color wheel, and you'll notice that there's lots of different fonts to choose from, as well as lots of different colors. You can also pick if you'd like a border for your letters or just to leave it plain. In addition, they're going to give you an option of how big or how little you want and how spread apart you want your letters to be, as well as line height if you have multiple lines. Now it's time to decide how long you want that text to be in your video. You'll notice that right now it's just a short amount of time, but I can change that by dragging those arrows. So I can totally pick how long I want it to be on my video and exactly when to have that text box disappear. If you want to add more text into the video, you just go ahead and repeat those same steps again, where you'll pick the text box, you'll write what you want it to say, you'll drag it where you want it to be, you'll choose your color and your font. If you actually want to have text on the top and the bottom at the same time, that is also possible. In order to add stickers and emojis to your video, click on the smiley face. There are several to pick from, and it works just like adding the text. You click on the one that you want, and then you can drag it to where you want it to be on the video. And you can also pick how long or how short it stays as part of your clip. One of the main advantages with using InShot over some of the other editing softwares is that you can also have multiple stickers or pictures at the same time on the video frame. Other video editing softwares will only let you pick one. This one you can have several at the same time. In addition, there's a lot of fun filters that you can choose to add different effects into your videos as well. Clicking on the Canvas button will allow you to format your video really easily for the platform that you want it to go on. There's a different layout according to which social media platform you want to publish your video on. In addition, you're also able to change the layout in the background and choose to have a border or get rid of the border. Keep in mind though that this will change how your text looks. This is also where you'll go if you want to zoom in or zoom out on portions of your video. For your borders, you can choose one of their colors, or you can actually customize it by using one of the photos that's on your phone to serve as your background. When you're happy with how your video looks and you like the way that it's been edited, click the download button. This will save your video to your photo section on your phone. Once it's been downloaded to your phone, you can delete the original video. However, keep in mind that if you ever go back and try to edit this video again, it won't allow you to do anything to it unless you still have that original video saved in your phone. Using videos is just one part of the thing that I do to grow my network marketing business. If you'd like a list of the activities that I do every single day to create a following of people who want to buy my products and join my network marketing program, click on the link down below and you'll be taken to my free Facebook group where I'm gonna give you my social media igniter. It's gonna light your network marketing business on fire. Make sure you click like and subscribe so that you don't miss anything going on, and I'll see you soon.